Where can I find beautiful email templates? You can use MailChimp to design your emails even if you don't use them as your email service provider. Their designer is so simple and powerful, I use it regardless. Please let me introduce myself. I am responsive HTML email designer and developer. I am professional email template designer and developer with 7 years experience. Please contact with me to get quote or for promoting your business. My link in the description below. Here's what you do. 1. Go to templates and click create template. 2. Choose a basic template or you can choose an existing theme. Personally, I start with a basic template and go from there. 3. Edit the template as you see fit. Change your fonts, sizes, color schemes. Add and remove containers, dividers, whatever you need. Bring in your images. 4. Design the template as if you were sending it out from MailChimp. Send test emails to yourself to make sure it renders well. If you're really concerned about rendering, check out Litmus. It tests email rendering in 30+ environments. 5. Save. Export the template as an HTML file. 6. Upload your HTML file into whatever email service provider you're using. Send to your list. Save money by not using MailChimp. Going forward, you've got 2 options. You can edit your template directly in HTML. Or if you hate HTML, you can just create another template. Think of MailChimp's templates as email drafts. Don't view them as actual templates. Use their wizard to build it beautiful, wrong brand, and just upload it into your especially. Hope that helps. Please write your business name in the comments box. I will share secret formula to get customers for your business. Please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon to get the update fast. Thank you so much for watching this video.